Alright, so this is a tutorial, finally. I know, I'm sorry it took me so long to post. For this trick. So first thing you're gonna do is, well, pick a handle. I like to go on the bite handle. Handle facing down toward, blade facing down towards my hand. I like to do this because I like to go from here, these ladders, into aerials and usually catch them in like reverse chaplets. But now we're just learning the trick. First, when you have your handle, blade down facing towards you, or if you're on the save, back of the blade facing towards your fingers right there, you are going to place your pointer finger down here, closest to the blade, and your thumb on the top. Now we're literally gonna use the handle to kind of climb the ladder of our fingers. As we swing this back, at the same time, we're gonna insert our middle finger to catch it here, like this. Now we have the pointer still on this side of the blade, just flipped in the middle on the back like that. Now, as we continue the motion, swinging towards us, we're gonna put our ring finger in here, swap that, turn it this way, and then put the same thing, pointer finger, back on this side, drop it, ring finger, down here, drop it, and do that continuously. I think a really good way to practice this is to just get this motion here, where I swap from pointer to middle to ring, pointer to middle to ring. And as you continue the momentum and you're able to move your fingers fast enough, you could do the actual ladder. Anyways, I'll do another slow-mo. I might flip it for all the right-handed flippers since I'm doing this on my left. And then, yeah, that's the breakdown. Hope it helps.